In most cases, it's not a matter of if you will migrate to the cloud, it's a question of when. According to an IDC Futurescape prediction, by 2024, 75% of enterprises will prioritize infrastructure agility and operational efficiency, leading to a 5 times increase in the adoption of cloud-native architectures for core business applications. This poses new challenges as you grapple with an increasingly complex infrastructure. The definition of migration is the movement from one place to another. In this case, we are talking about existing applications that will be moved to the AWS cloud. And a successful application migration requires a thorough understanding of what you are going to move. For most of us, these applications have been around for quite some time. The business runs on these applications, and the users have an expectation of how they should function. We often refer to this as user experience. Success is not only measured by the lack of failures, but also the satisfaction of the user community. Success breeds success, so you'll want to monitor progress before, during, and after application migration to AWS. As you begin the migration, you will want to understand how the application actually works in your real-world environment. Over time, applications tend to change and become dependent on new and other applications that are part of your digital infrastructure. You'll want to know how these dependencies work together and what will or won't move with the application being migrated. You'll also want to know the current state of the user experience. In most cases, this typically comes down to the responsiveness of the application. Basically, you need a big picture view of the application. NetScout customers tend to be a step or two ahead of others when it comes to application migrations. In fact, in a recent Tech Validate survey, enterprises said NetScout solutions help them reduce mean time to resolution by 50% or more during cloud migration. What makes NetScout so much better than alternative solutions? Our approach is to look at application traffic from the network perspective. Our unique approach to observability allows us to see all traffic going in and out of application servers and workloads, and we learn all of the dependencies just by watching this network traffic. But it doesn't stop there. We also measure user experience at any location in your digital infrastructure, along with catching application-level errors. Armed with this information, you are ready to begin your cloud migration journey. NetScout has collaborated with AWS on many solutions that use their innovative technologies to get access to network traffic. Our cloud-based solution, vStream, brings the power of NetScout's smart data solution to the cloud. Starting with traffic mirroring, where you can copy traffic from an EC2 instance to VPC ingress routing, where all traffic from an internet gateway or VPC can be sent to a vStream instance. And now with Gateway Load Balancer, AWS customers can send traffic directly to a network appliance. As you go on your migration journey, what you get on-premises is what you get in the cloud with NetScout, making it straightforward and cost-effective to measure your success along the way. Our solution for the cloud is the same as what you use in your physical data center, and we can present both cloud and on-premises workloads on the same pane of glass. We call this visibility without borders. NetScout works closely with AWS, and we have both AWS application migration and networking competencies. At NetScout, we are committed to making sure that you have the information you need for a successful migration.